Hi guys, welcome. So today we're going to be talking about the Qasil face mask made from the gob tree. It is 100% organic Qasil powder or gob tree leaves. They're crushed up and ground into a very fine powder and made into what we can use as a face mask. So before we get started, I'm going to let you guys in on some top secret information. Not really, it's just very important information that I think you guys should know before trying this out, so you know what kind of magic you're getting yourself into. And then I'm going to show you how to mix it up. I'm going to show you what it looks like on my skin, and then I'm going to give you guys my review. So let's get started. This face mask is amazing because it helps deeply cleanse the skin, it helps tone the skin, it helps get rid of those kind of blemishes and imperfections, and it helps to heal eczema, as well as gently exfoliating the skin and just kind of healing it and making it, youthful and radiant and all that fun stuff that we always hope for and very chemical-based products claim that they're gonna give us, but never really do. So yeah, I am really excited about this because if you have clogged pores, this is supposed to do the trick. It will also make your skin just feel hydrated and refreshed and beautiful, as well as being 100% natural, not having any added fragrances, preservatives, animal byproducts, anything like that. It is 100% Qasil powder. It's important to note that this is for all skin types, but you shouldn't use it so frequently that it messes up the pH of your skin, because that is, of course, a concern with any product you're going to use. But used daily, it can do wonders, but you just have to test it with your skin to make sure you know how your skin is going to react to it. It's very important with any skincare product you try. So what is Qasil? I keep throwing this word around and I didn't even know what it was before opening up this package. Qasil is produced using the shredded leaves from the gob tree, which is native to Somalia and its neighboring countries. It is popularly called the natural soap due to its gentle cleansing properties without actually being a soap. It is used popularly by Somalian and Ethiopian and Middle Eastern women to keep their skin looking youthful and radiant while still only using natural products rather than those very chemical-filled products that are just kind of not good for your skin in the slightest. History has it that while traveling alongside cattle and traveling with children, the women of Ethiopia and Somalia found, great comfort in being able to use this product from the gob tree, since it, kind of purified their skin and helped settle things out and make them feel more beautiful and, all that fun stuff that we always strive for now in today's day and age, especially in the social media world of things. Okay, so in my blue bowl here, I have the Qasil powder, and it kind of smells like green tea, which I think is really nice and pleasant. I personally love that smell, and you don't really need all that much. I definitely put too much in here, but I just wanted to make sure I had more than enough. Yeah. And in this bowl, my pink bowl here, I have just some warm water because they recommend using warm water. And we're going to slowly combine these two together, putting water into the powder bowl to, kind of make sure that we end up with a oatmeal, almost egg yolky consistency. And then after that, we apply the warm mask to the face and let it sit for 5 to 15 minutes. So after that, then we would take it off, but right now we're just gonna start adding a little bit of water at a time. I'm not using exact measurements, and that was definitely too much water, but it's fine. I'm just gonna start to kind of mix it. So I actually could use a little more water here. There we go. Just a little tiny amount so that we get more of a paste consistency. Just make sure we're all good there. So it does look, I'm not gonna lie, it does look a little yucky at first, but this is super lovely for the skin, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like on my skin. The FH Skincare gets their Qasil powder ethically sourced from hardworking women in Africa, and just knowing that they are being treated properly rather than being abused is something that I really think is important, especially when you're picking products that, you know, aren't from the same country that you are, that don't have the same regulations that you have. So I'm just going to apply a little to my hand so you can see how it looks, and then I'll show you how it looks on my face. So I'm doing kind of a thick layer so I can spread it out. It feels nice and cooling. I'm kind of excited to see how it looks like on my face because this looks a little silly right now. It looks like I'm spreading like green beans on the back of my hand. Now I'm going to mix up enough for my face, and I'll show you guys that in just a moment. Alrighty, so we have the mask applied. I didn't do my nose just because my nose has been really sensitive recently, so we're going to avoid the nose for now. I just want to bring you into my bathroom where I applied it. We're going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before I go ahead and wash it off like they recommended. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick update because this feels really nice on my skin, and I'm excited to see how my skin looks after this. As far as price point, this is a really fair price point, especially considering it is organic and hand-picked and just finally something that's ethically sourced. But yeah, this is so far shaping up to be a really amazing product, so I'm excited to show you the results from my skin after we go ahead and remove this. So I just removed the mask from my face. I'm not gonna lie, the staining is a little bit alarming. I'm going to follow this up with a normal cleanser, and we'll see how it goes. I'll see if this stains my skin. It's just difficult to say because I do have very fair skin, and a lot of things do stain my skin. So we shall see. But, I mean, my skin feels fantastic. It just looks like I got into some iodine at the doctor's office, and it was like, woo! Yeah, but I just rinsed this off in the shower because it was a little difficult to do over my sink without getting everything all messy. It looked a little weird coming off in the shower, but we will try this out. We'll try cleansing my face as per usual, and I will keep you updated. Okay, so I tried with a moisturizing face wash to kind of go in and scrub it off with a washcloth, and it didn't work too terribly well, but I don't blame the product. I personally think that just this product is not for me. I mean, my skin stains with just about anything I use, like an eyeshadow, like a nude eyeshadow will stain my skin. So I think being very fair, fair complexion, this is not the product for me. I think it'd be good if you had a little bit of a darker complexion and we're really into natural skincare. I think this is an amazing product for you. Just looking at my skin and knowing my complexion and my skin history, this is not a product that's really good for me just based on the stainage. I think that it makes my skin feel amazing, and it could be my fault that it's stained. Like, honestly, it could be user error. But yeah, I mean, I do enjoy a good face mask. And this one was kind of fun because it wasn't like a traditional one, like I had to mix it up myself and all that fun stuff. But I do definitely recommend this if you are into natural skincare and you just want to try something fun and new. And yeah, so give it a shot, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye!